Hi friends, it's Mariz and welcome back to Quick Fixes, your 2-minute answers to your most common tech problems. Today's featured question is,
how can I add a new calculation inside my pivot table without changing my raw data? Sometimes you have a pivot table summarizing your data, maybe showing order quantity and price per product, but you want to calculate something that doesn't exist in your raw data. Creating extra helper columns in the source file works, but it's tedious and can make your data messy. Well, the good news is pivot tables have a built-in feature called calculated fields that lets you add new calculations directly inside the pivot table, saving time and keeping your raw data untouched. To add a calculated field to your pivot table, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Step 1, click anywhere inside your pivot table and go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab. Step 2, click Fields, Items, and Sets and select Calculated Field. Step 3, in the dialog box, type a name for your new field, for example, revenue. Step 4, in the formula box, build your calculation using your existing pivot table fields. For example, quantity times price. Just double-click the fields to insert them and don't forget the asterisk for multiplication. Step 5, click Add, then OK. And that's it. Your pivot table now shows a new column with your calculation, all without touching the raw data. You can use this for any calculation you need, like revenue, profit, or custom metrics. It's fast, flexible, and keeps your data clean.
if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or video requests, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!